welcome in Conquer the English. So Conquer the English is a way where you can learn everything easily. So dear student, let's learn for today's lecture. Today we will do poem number 2 from 10th class from NCERT syllabus. So I would like to say something about Robert Frost. Robert Frost was an American poet who explored the rural setting of New England for examining deeper issues of philosophy and life value. So here we have some poems written by Robert Frost. So first is After Apple Picking, second is The Maddening Wall, and third is Stopping by Woods on a Snowy Evening. And both all three poems famous all around the world. So here we have a poem Fire and Ice. So name of the poem, we see the two words fire and ice, and both the word opposite of each other. But here poet gave us an idea that how would the world will be end. So dear student, this is very beautiful two stanzas poem. In the very first stanzas, poet say, some say the world will end in fire, some say in ice. What I have tasted of desire, I hold of those who favor the fire. Let's see the word meaning. First of all, first is fire. Fire means jealous, greed or desire. Jealous, greed or desire. Jealous, greed or desire. Second word is ice. Ice means hearted from each other. Hearted in our heart. Third word is tasted. Tasted is to agree. According to this line, to agree. Fourth word is hold with. So let's run for the explanation. In the very first lines, poet say, some say the world will end it in fire. Some who? Some means people. Some people say that the world will end in fire. Means world would be end in fire. Huge fire burnt and everything burnt in it. Some people say that the no world will end in ice. Means everything is freeze and world will end. And whatever the poet say, I have tasted. Means I agree with the people who say that we ended in fire. Why? Because we have a lot of hate, lot of desires, lot of greediness, lot of jealousy from each other. We do not love each other. We do not like each other. That is why we ended in the fire. So I hope you have to understand the four lines. Some people say the world will end in fire and some say in ice. And here I give the meaning of both of word. What is the meaning of fire and ice? You can use these words and make a beautiful. So dear student, in the second stanza, but if it had to perish twice, I think I know enough of hate to say that for destruction ice is also great and wood suffix. Here we have some word meaning. First is twice, two times. Perish, destroy. Perish, destroy. Third word is enough, sufficient. Third word is destruction. Destruction means ruin. Fourth word is suffix. So suffix means proper. Okay. So dear student, let's see the explanation of the second stanza. In the second stanza, poet say, if the world would be ended two times, if world would be ended two times, twice. If the world destroy twice, I say hate is enough. Ice is enough. We will destroy with the ice. In the first stanza he say, I go favor of fire. But in the second stanza he say hate is enough. Because ice meaning here is hate. We all insensitive. We all hate each other. We have no feeling for each other. So that is why he say that the world will be ended in fire or ice also, because we have a lot of greed, lot of desire, lot of jealous, and a lot of hatred from each other. So in the second stanza he say we have a enough hate from each other, that is why world will be ended in ice. And at the last he say that we have a lot of hatred from is sufficient to bring the end of the world. So dear student, in the very first stanza poet से कि कुछ लोग कहते हैं कि ये जो संसार है, ये जो वर्ल्ड है, इसका एंड किससे होगा? फायर से होगा। और कुछ कहते हैं कि नहीं, आइस से होगा। मैं क्या कहता हूँ, मैं जो है जैसा मैंने लोगों के दिलों में एक दूसरे के प्रति जेलसी को देखा है, नफरत को देखा है, तो उसको देखते हुए क्या हो रहा है, मैं भी यही कहता हूँ कि फायर से जो है वर्ल्ड का एंड होगा। सेकंड स्टैंडर्ड में कहते हैं कि अगर वर्ल्ड का एंड 2 टाइम होना है तो मैं भी कहता हूँ कि ये वर्ल्ड जो है आइस से, क्योंकि हम एक दूसरे के प्रति इतने इनसेंसिटिव हो गए हैं, इतना जो है हमें अपना अपना जो है लगा रहता है, दूसरे की हम केयर नहीं करते। तो इस वर्ल्ड का एंड किससे होगा? जो है यहाँ पर वर्ल्ड का एंड किस आइस से हो सकता है। सो एट लास्ट जो है वो कहते हैं कि हम सबके मन में इतना एक दूसरे के प्रति जेलस है, इतना डिजायर्स हमारी बढ़ चुकी हैं, इतनी जो हम एक दूसरे से हेट करते हैं। सो इस वर्ल्ड का जो एंड है वो कैसे होना है? इस वर्ल्ड का एंड दोनों चीजों में से किसी के साथ भी हो सकता है। सो वी विल डू द पोएटिक डिवाइस और rhyming scheme of this poem in the second lecture. So have a good day.